Wells Fargo provides three primary methods for transferring money to other banks. Each option has distinct features, processing times, and fee structures designed for different transfer needs. The three main options are Zelle for instant personal transfers, ACH transfers for larger business payments, and wire transfers for time-critical transactions. Zelle is integrated directly into Wells Fargo's banking platform, enabling real-time peer-to-peer payments. It's ideal for personal transfers under $2,500 with no fees and instant processing. ACH transfers use the automated clearinghouse network for bank-to-bank transfers. They offer higher transfer limits than Zelle and multiple processing speeds, from free standard processing to same-day delivery for a $15 fee. Wire transfers provide direct bank-to-bank electronic transfers through secure networks. They're best for time-critical large amounts and international transactions, but come with higher fees and are irreversible once sent. As of 2025, Wells Fargo has significantly enhanced its digital transfer capabilities with advanced fraud detection, streamlined interfaces, real-time tracking, and biometric authentication for improved security and user experience. Choosing the right transfer method depends on three key factors: urgency, amount, and recipient type. Here's how to make the best decision for your specific needs. For personal transfers under $2,500 that need immediate availability, Zelle is your best choice. It's instant, free, and perfect for everyday transactions. For larger amounts or non-urgent payments, ACH transfers are ideal. They handle bigger sums with minimal or no fees, though they take 1 to 3 business days. Wire transfers are reserved for time-sensitive significant amounts, especially international transactions. They're immediate, but come with higher fees. To optimize costs, plan ahead whenever possible. Standard ACH transfers are typically free and perfect for non-urgent payments. Here's how different amounts compare across methods. Key cost-saving tips. Plan transfers in advance to use free standard ACH. For large Zelle transfers, consider splitting them across multiple days to stay within limits. Always compare fees for international transfers. Security is paramount for all transfers. Always verify recipient information before sending. Enable account alerts and use strong authentication. Wells Fargo provides advanced fraud detection and biometric security. Looking ahead, real-time payments are expanding. The Federal Reserve's FedNow service may integrate with Wells Fargo by 2026, offering even more instant payment options alongside Zelle. Wells Fargo's transfer services show strong performance metrics. As of 2025, 87% customer satisfaction, with digital transfers increasing 34% year over year, and 95% of Zelle transfers completing within 15 minutes.